Okay, on. So, let's hike through these woods. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of fucking, look at all these branches and stuff. Go around hiking. Come on. Gosh, how are you gonna get through on? You gotta break this down. Okay. Huh. I maybe can. Oh, break it down. Come on. I can't break it down.
Just come on. Just undo.
Why?
Just come undo.
Oh my gosh. You found a car?
Huh?
Found a car? Let me see. Dang. Wait, let me see. That's a sweet. That's sweet.
Come on.
A dragon?
Come on.
Hold up, let's hike over here. Yeah. Nice. Gosh. Okay, let's go under here. Crap. Oh no. Get a little tangled that way, huh? We'll get over here on. Cool over here. Come on. Oh, let's go visit the big tree over there. Come on over. Speed her up. Well, that's cool, but there's a lot of garbage out here. Are you gonna climb it?
Yep. Whoa.
Try to climb it. Come on. I don't remember this tree being here last time we were here.
This is cool.
Did it just fall down or something? I can't get up it on. No, you go. Find something? Oh, your car again. Fell. Gosh, you keep dropping it?
Yeah.
Here, let me hold it. You try to climb it.
Whoa.
That's cool. Oh my god. Just breaking everything. Just leave your jacket right there and come get it when you're done. Try to get up here. Ouch. Try it again. Oh god. Oh. There's a can on. Oh god. One more try. Ouch. Get over here. I'm done. It hurt. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm ready to go back. Come on, let's just go.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go so much safer. God. Ouch. Oh God, it hurts. You got your toy car?
You got it?
Let's go back there. But it's rusty anyway. You don't need that thing. Come on, don't be a crybaby. It's just a toy car. I'm sorry, I fell. God. Oh my God, Alma. You don't gotta be a baby about it. God. You don't gotta be a big baby.
It's a dead body. It's a dead body.
What do we do?
Let's go tell Mom. Let's go tell Mom. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, what do we do? Oh my God, oh my God, he might be out here. The killer. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, ow, ow.